Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitch Sabache, and I am a accredited seller of the MSA Home. So today, tara samahan niyo ako at ituturo ko kayo sa aming 2-bedroom unit na 55 square meters. Okay pa? Hello po, so kamusta po kayo? So, I hope napanood ninyo yung video ko sa 54 square meters na 2-bedroom. So, currently available pa yun as of this June. Okay, so this one, itong unit naman na to, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo is 55 square meters naman. Okay, so this is a different layout compared to the 54. Kahit na sabihin mo na 1 square meter difference lang siya. Pero medyo iba yung pagka-layout niya. So, this unit is located on this corner. So makikita ninyo ito yung double loaded corridor natin na hallway. Okay, and then ito yung railing natin. And below us, above us are the atrium level. So this is on the 11th floor na facing amenity area. Okay, so dito lang siya, itong unit na to, unit 1118. So upon entering the door, so ang magigreet agad sa inyo, this one you can put here your dining area. Okay, so and then dito yung living area. So, ang pinagkaiba po nun, this is like similar din sa mga units behind the elevator natin. Pero, wala siyang mini foyer. So, dito ngayon, yung ating kitchen area. So, makikita ninyo malawak yung kitchen natin, mahaba. Okay, so, kitchen cabinets are included, granite countertop, di ba? And also, ito, ang ganda nito, malaki yung kitchen area natin dito. And then also, same as the toilet and bath. Okay, so shower enclosure lang yung kulang natin dito. Same size pa rin siya. And then, ang kagandahan din nito, a difference between the 57 square meters is dito sa 55 square meters, meron kang lagayan ng storage for the washing machine. Okay, ito yung wala nun. Wala nung 57 square meters. And also, again, dito yung entertainment system natin, living area. Pwede mo siya dito ilagay. And then, now we go to the second bedroom. So, sa second bedroom, makita ninyo, same din nung 54 square meters. It can fit a single or bunk beds, pwede yan ilagay dito with bigger window. Napakalaki, kasya po ako dyan. So, dito ngayon tayo sa bedroom 1. So, we're only 3 floors higher, okay, than the 8th floor unit. Pero itong unit na to, itong bedroom na to, spacious din, malaki rin siya. And siya rin yung may access kay balcony area. Again, dito sa unit na to, facing po ito towards the amenity area natin. So again, dito makikita po ninyo, this unit is still facing the amenity area. So nasa baba natin yung amenity area ni Allegra Garden Place. So again, kita rin kahit pa paano yung amenity level ni Prisma Residences. Okay, pero this one is still this unit is still facing the amenity area. Okay, ayun. So that concludes my room tour here in our 55 square meters na 2-bedroom unit at Amina Building of Allegra Garden Place. Again, if you want to know more about this project, nandiyan yung numbers ko naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Pwede tayo mag-schedule ng online presentation via Zoom. O pwede rin tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing. So, pwede ko po kayong dalhin dito sa project na to so you can see it personally, and also you can see actual units here that we offer. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video sa YouTube and ma-notify kayo. So, thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.